Good job, Josh.
Go, 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 go.
Scott Crew.
They're in the middle.
Forward.
Where? Score, guys. Yes. Dilly. Oh, foul. That's so bad. They didn't give him a card. Hey, Milton! That's the front! Oh, go!
Go.
Hey, go! What are you doing? Yes, sir!
Back.
Go get it. Exactly. And then you choose there. And then they choose there. And then choose there. And then they choose it again. And then keep going on. So that's how you avoid it. Choose right there. Apple or Bro! Or is that mean together? Bro, the other team just passed it to me. Go, Milton! Don't kick it! Never mind. Let it out. Go forward! And you lift your head. Stop being lazy, guys. Come on, pick it up. You guys, come on. Go for the ball. Let's go. Go. I didn't touch it.
Get it.
Hurry.
Wide ball.
I didn't touch it.
Go to the left.
They have other teammates.
Play.
Go. You guys have other teammates.
쿼터.
Go! Go, Sally!
Go,
Sally! Go! Watch out! Go! Go for the ball! Kick!
Yeah!
Sally, good!
Good job, Sally.
Good job, Sally!
Let's see, right?
Yeah, Sally said she was by the seashore. Yeah, Sally should go to the beach. Why? Because Sally said she was by the seashore. Seashore is Sally because she was by the seashore.
Austin. Keep going. And open his eye to catch it.
¡Vete, Alejandro! ¡Con ganas! Oh, it's funny. ¡Vete!
Take a shot.
Oh,
Nice try.
Alejandro! Mateo! You got this!
Go, 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 go.
That's out. Out. Mateo! Get open! Go up, I'll take it. Yeah, go up. Get to the Alejandro. Con ganas.
Good. Go.
Hace con ganas. ¡Oh, Mateo! Kick it!
Go, Rush. Go. Good, good.
Yes.
Tírale.
Pass it.
Yeah.
One
Oh, oh, oh.
more.
Whoa. Hey, how are you? Nice try. Yeah.
I'm way too young. Oh my god, I only have 2 more years. It's fine.
What?
Oh, it's a super taqueria for breakfast.
What do you get? Hi.
Oh, but don't stop it.
Presiona, córrele.
2 to 10 years. Oh, Alejandro!
Hay muchos.
Wow.
Con fuerza.
Alejandro!
Quítasela, quítasela.
Go Sandy.
Good.
¿La
tienes?
No!
Yeah. Whoa.
He got a left foot. Sally got a left foot.
Hey, rapidito en cuanto la pasen. Ve por ella. Go for it. Yeah. Good, good. He's good. Rápido, se la van a pasar y corres. Es tu oportunidad. Quítasela, quítasela. Eso. Córrele, córrele, ahí la tienes. Ábrete. Ve por allá. Ahí estás, volteate. Córrele. Eso, corre. Sigue corriendo. Desde ahí, Ale, amor.
Mateo, get open!
Voltea a ver la pelota. Métete.
Oh, no. Wait.
¡Oh! ¡Woo-hoo!
On goal.
Corre rápido a la bola. Rápido, al centro. Corre. Ven por allá.
Run, Mateo.
Get him, Mateo. What are you doing? Run!
Atácalos, Mateo. Eso, ven por allá. Córrele.
Oh, Mateo!
Good. Ahí está. Pásale por el otro lado.
Oh, red ball.
Oh, red ball.
Espérate aquí, se la van a pasar a él.
Oh, señor.
Se la van a pasar a él. Ahí, cúbrelo. Métele el cuerpo, ahí.
Oh, he pushed me.
Córrele, ven por allá. Ahí la tienes. Corre, no la dejes.
Mateo. Mark.
Ahí estás.
Oh my. Those cameras. I don't know why. Why would you take videos?
Ven por allá. Eso. Otra vez. Ahí cubre ese niño, ese de atrás, ese de atrás. Ese. No te les pegues. Ven por allá, ven por allá.
¡Oh, Mateo!
Dale, Mateo.
Mateo, pásala, Mateo. Eso.
¡Oh, Mateo!
Take a shot. Take it.
Again, Alejandro.
Yeah!
Alejandro, you have a hat trick. Wait, what's the hat trick?
Go, Messi.
Rapidito al centro, en cuanto le pegue la pelota.
Wait, it's 4-0. It's 4-0. So Mark scored one. Sally scored one.
Está. Siempre se la pasan al mismo. Eso, corre. Quítasela. Muévete. Pásala. Es por ahí. Está bien. Bien.
You guys are letting them open. Run! Guys are pushed up. Go, Mark.
Estás. Tírale.
Come on, Ale.
Oh, good save. Good try.
Mateo, come on!
Diego, dile al Mateo que ataque. Bien, Mateo. Ve por allá. Tírale.
Oh! Nice shot!
Good try, Ale. La próxima cae. Fíjate, la van a pasar aquí a la derecha. Córrele. Voltea a ver, Ale.
Mateo, defense, come on! Okay. Let out. Mateo, look who's open! Mark! Yes, sir!
Good job. Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Good job, Mark. No, out. It's out. No, through.
I'm not throwing the ball. He gets, oh shoot.
White ball. Somebody touch it. The red ball.
Mateo, get on defense.
Go.
Pass it. Let's go.
Go, Arosh.
Austin. 방금 그냥 우리 눈 튀면 쳐. 들어봐.
Big shot. Take it. Kick it. Wow.
I like it. So, then you must have Sally, defense. What do you mean? Sally's too good. You need to go back in.
Good job, Mark. Nice pass, Melton. Nice job. Good, good. Go back. Offside.
Passes it to it.
Somebody's injured.
Behind the goal. So we can only No. If a guy's like there at the midfield point, he has the ball. He's going to pass it over there. A guy who's
That's your brother.
across the building. No, that's it. If he passes it to him, that's outside. So you're behind the building. Behind the last defender and can you run it in? Yeah, you can dribble it in, but you can't pass it. The guy is behind the building. Okay, you're the build that line and I will die. Oh, wait. You're on the field. I have the ball. And this is the ball.
Hey, guys. Outside the field.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What is this? This is how she passes it. What? Pass like this? Yes.
Yeah.
Take it.
Shoot! Oh!
I passed through my way. I passed like this. Oh no, they're gonna score. Okay, they're gonna score. I bet.
Good job, Arush.
Dribble.
Go.
Nice.
Nice. Pass. Nice pass.
Come on, John.
She passes and she was facing my team. Do you guys know what binary numbers are? Huh? I'm in third grade. I'm actually in third grade. I'm 9 or 1. Actually,
度多嚟到呢種感覺，最好啲嚟到一年。
actually, can I ask my
自己你自己用光嚟自己睇下先啦。
Wait, I'll ask
Who's
my
got your TV with you?
好想我 TV 啊。
Oh, okay.
Dad. In my third grade. Wait. Am I in third grade?
这个董事他们都
哦。佢問緊字。
Arush Taylor.
問緊字。
Am I in third grade?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he. Okay, sit down.
Oh. Corner, guys. Good job.
Ow.
Austin, shoot corner.
Oh, shoot.
This
This is my brother's desk. Oh, trick you. This is my brother.
弄个落可以为是